Good day everyone. Learn how to fix corrupt registry in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So we are going to fix any kind of registry error if you're getting in your computer. We're going to fix it by only two simple steps. So here in the search icon, type CMD and you will find the best match command prompt, and please make sure you run as administrator. The moment you do that, it will ask you to say yes, and a new window will appear like this. And I will mention a command, the first command, and this will be there in the description as well. Here you need to type dism.exe space /online space /cleanup image space /RestoreHealth. So this command will actually start repairing your computer by deployment image servicing and management tool, and it should not take more than 2 to 5 minutes. Once this is done, you need to run one more command, and I'll just close it because I need to run the second command through which you can fix the registry problems. And again, we need to type CMD and then run as administrator. I'll say yes. So this is a very common problem and it is very easy to fix. Now the next command is sfc space /SCANNOW. It is not case sensitive, so you can also type in small letters. Not an issue. The moment you type sfc space /SCANNOW, you can hit enter, and this will also begin the system scan and start repairing any kind of registry issues in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Alright, so do let me know in the comment section if you're able to fix registry corruptions or any other corruption if you think in your computer. Any which way, it is very good for the computer. And please make sure after doing these two scans, restart the computer, and do let me know if this tutorial is helpful or not. I'll be glad if you do so. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.